Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Arsenal don't do tributes for Aubameyang as Baba don't leave Arsenal by mutual consent. So they do some kind of small collage, do some kind of small video where Aubameyang they score goals. Constant thank him for his stay for Arsenal. No, they were very happy with the guy. They can't thank him. So even Aubameyang himself can't reply for social media. Hasn't see the video. You know, he won't talk too much. He just put all this love emoji. Just put on there to tell Arsenal say, "I love what you do." Even though we know say Arsenal and Aubameyang, they know they happy with themselves. You know the way the things stay happen. So everything just soft like that. Say, "Don't come on." Even later, Aubameyang come out on social media. Come they post again say, say the only thing they make and they sad." For this move to Barcelona, they say he no get the opportunity to say proper goodbye to his teammates. You know, normal night before you move, you know, be this kind of hurry move when you just move. Normal, you just meet your teammates, shake them, tell them say, I don't they come out to. I wish you all the best. You know, those kind of level now, snap picture. But this was just the impromptu on the deadline day. They never even tell Aubameyang they come Barcelona. They already enter motor, they fly, they go Barcelona under the guys saying they go stay with his papa for stages. You know, everything just dey undercover because he know say he no wan stay for Arsenal. Say worst come to worst, he go force a move to come because he won't just come up for Arsenal because of every situation we did there. Everything just turn against him. So well, wish him all the best as he don't go for Barcelona. Even sef when they see say Aubameyang don train doing first training with Barcelona squad, we see am when they follow them dey train for Camp Nou, when they jump up and down dey jog. Na Fabrizio Romano even post the picture say, when I see una guy, you guy dey train for Barcelona with the Barcelona new team, all them dey train together. So last we just dey happy with the guy for a new move, and our prayer be say make him prosper there, make them no look say in age 32. You know say La Liga sef na a different kettle of fish. La Liga no go dey compared to EPL. Na we be say na run. La Liga, the tempo of the game na slow and steady, tiki-taka, 1-2. You know, he has to be a technically gifted player to prosper for that place. No be like EPL, we say from beginning and to the end of the match na run, end-to-end stuff, back. So with age don't cause the guy no confident perform well like the way they performed before for Arsenal. So the bottom line is say we wish him all the best of luck for a new career. People say many pundits come and say come dey talk about Aubameyang, come dey talk say wetin make Aubameyang come decline towards the later stages of his Arsenal career. So I don't know, as I make myself ask you now, what do you think say make Aubameyang decline? Because some people don't give many reasons. Some pundits say na money, say maybe the money Arsenal give am for I think in 2018 where they give am 3 years contract. I think 2018 or 2019 they give am 3 years contract. With this thing come bust Baba brain, blessing no come do wetin dey do, the money come over too much. They made him the highest earner. You know, say maybe thing come bust him. Say ever since when he just signed that contract, Aubameyang no know wetin they do again. He no come dey score goals again. As in he can't relax. I mean whether money come dey buy him motor, you know, whether come dey chop up, you know, maybe no come dey fit for games. I don't know. So some people they talk say na that money na cause am. Some they talk say maybe na the lengthy contract. Why some because it doesn't maybe na nature, but the guy don't be 32 now. You know if they play the way they look at Messi now. The way Messi they play from the beginning of his career, now they play now. Age, you know if you to run away from age, age must tell. How many goals Messi don't score for PSG? Age must tell. That's the cocoa. That's what people don't know. Fine, he was a good player before, but he don't decline. When the person don't decline, you know if he played the way they played before. I remember those days. Aubameyang they fight for highest goal scorer with Harry Kane, with Salah. If you don't pass them, it will do the same with them. 20 something goals per season. That's what makes him our GOAT now. That what make them give him that contract. Say, we don't want to make you go because those are goals when they score. Because the team depended on his goals to succeed, to flourish. But now, you know, can you give us those goals again? That's why everything can fall like a pack of cards. That's why Arsenal can't be strong because they depend on all those small boys like Saka, Miss Petro, Martinez. Before, we know all those ones. Those ones, they never Benjamin, they never academy, I he'll end. Aubameyang, they for the control. The guy they control things for Arsenal. But as in goals can't stop because they rely on all those small boys. Now they can be our saving grace. So now so everything just be. So what if your own reason why you think say now make Aubameyang can't decline? Because whether you like it or yes, even if you be Aubameyang loyalist, he declined. Number one, he's 32 years old. You know, when they score again. Before this season, the last season, how would he play? So now what he gets to talk. So what if your own reason? But at the same time, our monitoring spirit that they call l'equip For France, don't come outside and let us know say Lyon they interested in taking Lacazette as a free agent at the end of the season. They won't collect and come back. And don't forget now from Lyon hand that will take buy this Lacazette. So now we say the guy contract will run down at the end of the season, and there's no indication say Arsenal won't give him a new contract. We never really know. I don't know whether things will change now. Maybe say Aubameyang don't come on, so maybe if we give Lacazette like 2 years, then come buy more people to come play with them before himself go find square roots. I never know how everything will go. I will just pursue Lacazette, pursue Nketiah, then bring fresh firepowers. I never really know. But the Coco will say Lyon one time at the end of the season. I know be only Lyon, I don't say many other people say all those kind of Newcastle now, they still come beat for him because he has experience in the Premier League. If he don't know they're good enough for Arsenal, well definitely they're good enough for all those kind of Newcastle, all those kind of Brighton, all those kind of small teams here. So I never know how it goes up. Anyhow way they go, you know go take, and after 17 games now league don't end. So I will let you know how everything will be solved by then. At the same time, John Barnes, will be Liverpool legend, don't come as I call it back Arsenal for the way they take let Aubameyang go, because number one, Baba come to say things no dey work well. You get, because the coach and the player they at odds. The guy get disciplinary issues. Even the owner self, they back their manager for indecision. Don't be only Arteta good manager. Even self, some people they forget say you see this Arsenal squad there. They get additional leaders like 5-man leaders only for the team. Even the Xhaka them, even the Lacazette them, they do for one leadership committee. All of them they still support what the manager do. You get, because no player revolts. No player vex say why the Arteta do like this, why Arteta do like that. Everybody support the the manager do. That shows to say there are some things we don't stop for dressing room. When we say from media side to side, they go they ask Arteta say what is up, what is Arteta go say whatever happens in the dressing room stays in the dressing room. Me, I believe say the matter they bigger than this. Now Arteta no just want to let the cat out of the bag. And what me believe, and many points itself they talk am, but maybe you now you never reason go that side, because this small one they just tell us say and just travel go call them mama this one. That one are like the tip of the iceberg. They never really tell us the main cocoa. If they free the matter, if they come outside, come talk as everything's up, all of them now will hit Aubameyang like mad. So now what me just believe, because it is bigger than what we hear. Because I say you can see Mama, no, it's bigger than that. Again, many issues don't they pile up, don't they pile up. So Baba can say, well, say things no they work. Say they good make the guy say go try another place, go know whether in career go kick off. So that's how it just be. Even Alan Smith said maybe one of our former players and don't turn pundits now. So we're going to talk about Arsenal's chances of ending in the top 4. So we're going to say Omo, say you go dey tough because many people say don't they chook eye for that top 4. Say you go dey tough. Say but it is dependent on maybe injuries, suspensions and everything. Say and how it take affect other people's team also. Like go determine how Arsenal will take enter top 4 and our run of form. And so, but one thing wey people dey forget say people know they take cognizance of our calendar. They need to look how many times will they play in a week, in the 10 days. How many times we go play? That's an important factor where people know they check, where people know they understand, and people they fail to understand. So we still get cover. You get for that front. We still get striker. If Lacazette no play, Nketiah go play. Nketiah no play. If he drafting Martinelli, enter for that 9th position. So that's how it just be. We still get squad depth. Okay, check the defensive pairing now. If Gabriel Magalhaes get injury, or maybe Ben White get injury, they can put in Rob Holding. If Tierney get injury, they can put Tavares. If Tomiyasu get injury, they can put Cedric Suarez. Don't forget say El Neni will still come back anytime soon. So if El Neni don't come back, we still get Bukayo Saka first choice for that setup, for that defensive midfield. They can get El Neni Lokonga as backup. If Partey get injury, they fit put El Neni. If Saka get injury, they fit put El Neni. If two of them get injury, El Neni Lokonga go play. And two of them don't just get injury at the same time. It's not possible. So many we wish ourselves bad luck. You know, they possible. And don't forget that Emile Smith Rowe still for Benjamin. If Martinelli get injury, Emile Smith Rowe go overtake and stay there. It's not possible make everybody just get injured. We are playing once in 8 days for crying out loud. How is it possible? So everybody will just they missing out like that. So it's not possible. So we still get squad depth. We go fit take us for the remaining 17 games. We have just 17 games left in the season. Just 17. And we'll play every 8 to 10 days. That's all how wanted to get injury every match. We will play February 10 now, play Wolves. Our next match is February like 23. So there's gap, big gap. Now we dey enjoy them like that. So after 17 games, our season has ended. So we no get issues. So we will survive. Then I know the fear. Even Rio Ferdinand, they be one of Man U greats. Don't come as I call it defend Arsenal for the way they take stand Aubameyang fine in square root. So you're going to say Arsenal they within their rights to tell Aubameyang making goals. So first of all, since we are not working out, so they no get choice. They just got to tell the guy say making goal because coachee don't lose faith in the guy. See, the worst feeling that can happen to any player now when your coachee don't lose faith in you, both for footballing reasons and for moral reasons or for anything. When they strip person for a captain ban, that I mean go to train alone. You know, many things don't lead up to where we dey now. So you know if you talk say Arsenal they wrong, Arsenal they right. Say number one, the camaraderie for the squad. They need that harmony. They don't need a repeat of a Mesut Ozil situation. That's why they come quickly tell the guy say okay, find your square root. They tear in contract. You know what it means? But they tear person contract. Say okay, the remaining 18 months, no worry, no play for us again. If you go, if you waka, say Aubameyang yourself come reason and come say okay, no yawa, I agree. They come agree. They call that mutual consent. I agree, you agree. Or Yamuku runner. They come tear the guy paper. So Rio Quality say make them no blame Arteta or blame Arsenal. Say they were within their rights. When defend them, say they know what they do, and hopefully the end will justify the means. At the end of the season, now when Arsenal now secure Europe, now you see all the people they cry now. They don't say, "Hey, no good, no good, no good." Nobody will mention anything. Nobody will do pam. Nobody will talk now. By the time Arsenal start to win again, now everybody will start to jubilate. Everybody will forget this situation. I remember when people they clamor for Mesut Ozil, bring back Ozil. There was a bring back Ozil campaign. Bring back Ozil, bring back Ozil. By the time when they flush Ozil out, start to they play, they win. Nobody remember Ozil. No. Ozil will go Galatasaray. How many goals he score? Because they complain for DSF. They can't keep up for more Benjamin there. You mean the Benjamin here? They collect 350,000 pounds per week. They complain. Now he can't go there. He play. So that's it just be. Our prayer be say make Aubameyang and go La Liga, go play well, make him score, make him win. Be happy for him. Our Chris Whitley will be one of our mandatory spirits. Don't come outside, come they let us know say Arsenal gets huge intention to increase Bukayo Saka contract. They won't extend the guy contract because Saka contract will expire for 2024. So they really say the gas improve them now. The gas extend them anytime soon. They no guys wait until maybe 2023 before they can say they won't extend them because all those kind of Jurgen Klopp, they for corner they scamp the guy because Klopp they very interested in Saka and Martinelli. They talk many things about them. I don't believe him. Many other clubs say they people they scamp them again because they never reach their peak. Yes, and then they carry the weight of the shoulder of Arsenal for their shoulders. So Arsenal would like to extend their contracts, maybe extend them like till 2029. We never know, and increase the salary because I don't think Saka they earn much. Maybe they're like 50,000 pounds per week or so. You know they earn that much like that. So maybe they will increase that. We never really know. Well, more they watch. Barcelona itself don't get one kind of small issue for all the people that don't sign because for Europa League now, Europa League don't get lost. Say Barcelona no fit do more additions to the registered squad. Just them buy 4 players for this season now, and they can only register 3. So they really say who them will leave out for that European squad because you see they sign Aubameyang, they sign Adama Traore, they sign Dani Alves, they can't sign Ferran Torres. So they never know who them will leave out for the European squad now, Europa League squad. So I never really know. So all indication they show say maybe they will leave out Aubameyang. I never really know because they still get some kind of firepower. I mean, Dani Alves, Adama Traore, they will leave. I never know who they will leave out. Well, more to watch now, but they will come as a big blow for Aubameyang if they go leave him out because Baba said they hope saying go follow them play Europa League, at least test Europe again. They don't tell him play for Europe now. Basically test himself, but we never know how everything will solve. Well, more to watch as it will turn out. Arsenal new signing, whether they call Austin Trusty, don't drop new message as Baba they talk say I am very honored, excited and grateful to join Arsenal, saying they're very excited for the future. You know, say Arsenal signed this guy from Colorado Rapids, and don't forget, say the owner of Colorado Rapids now is still the same owner of Arsenal. Now Stan Kroenke get the 2 clubs, so the guy now left-sided center back. So I think they won't use the guy as a replacement for Gabriel Magalhaes in case Magalhaes get injury. Maybe now with the reason why they bring the guy, but alternatively we can't hear say Arsenal want to bring the guy at the same time for 2022-2023 season. They will send the guy out on loan to a European club, saying that their mission, because don't also forget that at the end of the season we expect William Saliba to come back, which means we can't get like 5 center backs for our books. We can't get Gabriel Magalhaes, get Ben White, get Saliba, get Holding, get Pablo Mari. We will return from a own loan deal from Udinese. So by the end of the summer, we know whether Pablo will find with square root, so that we'll move him out because we can't have 5 center backs. But we can still have 5 center backs too, because I dey optimistic say by next season we will play European football. So at least we need all the players we can get. At least we'll play League, Cup, European, or if possible Champions League. Who knows? Anything can happen. So more they watch ya. By the same time, I said I can't touch lights matter for the players who will sign for the summer. You get, say for the summer, go sign plenty players, and first name on the list of the players who supposed to fit sign, that mean Jonathan David. You know, say this guy dey play for Lille and the guy dey score goals like mad. So even Edu sef be contacting representatives for this January transfer window. So they talk say he go like to move for the summer, and e don dey agree between him and the president of Lille say this go be in last season for there. You get, na the last time he go play for that French league be this. So they really say by the summer everything will come very very clear. Then Arsenal na one of the people wey dey scam the guy, because the guy is about 22 or 23 and the guy dey burst net. Last time I check, he don score more than Mbappe sef for French league, scored more than Burak, scored more than many people you get. So I dey very happy, and don't forget that them be defending champions, so because he helped Lille win the league last season, man, don't forget. So the guy a very good prospect. So Arsenal really say he go dey good for us. Well, now at the end of the summer we will get more news and we'll get more clarity surrounding the transfer. Then the next name on our list now be Dominic Calvert-Lewin. He know they available for January, or for the summer he go dey available. So we never know how Arsenal go take pursue this guy deal. Well, now for the summer we go know, because by the summer Lampard himself go don get options. Say okay, he won't buy a replacement even if he's seller. That's why the guy not be available for January. We couldn't get him in January. January was very tough, but for the summer it will be very easy to get player, because if you get player, the club self will get option to go get replacements. That's what it's supposed to be. Another name for our list now be Yuri Tillemans. Yuri Tillemans now from Leicester, and we hope so we'll fit sign him for the summer. Leicester go fit sell him as long as the offer is right, bring better money, £50 million. They will fit sell him to us, and we hope so for the summer the Kroenkes they will give us Arteta another big money to sign players. Now our own prayer with that. Well, everything now for the summer will be very clear. More to watch out. So my dear football lovers, if you don't watch yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You will see the thumbnail. Click and make you get all the updates as they drop all over the world. So it's CHUKS signing out. Have a great day and get out.